What's good, guys? So the graphic design contest season 3 is here. We are resuming with episode 11, and in this episode we'll be designing a political flyer. In the link in the description there are 3 images, 2 logos, 1 font and an image. Give out your best by designing a very dope political flyer. The contest starts today, Sunday 17th July 2022, and ends on Thursday 22nd July 2022. You can send your final work to me on Instagram or on WhatsApp. Good luck to you all.